In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This feature is especially useful if your physical keyboard isn't working or if you need an alternative way to type. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your computer. If you're using Windows 11, click on Accessibility from the left-hand menu. If you're using Windows 10, click on Ease of Access. Next, scroll down until you find the Keyboard section and open it. You should now see an option called On-Screen Keyboard. Simply turn this option on. As soon as you enable it, the virtual keyboard will appear on your screen. You can now use your mouse, touchpad, or touchscreen to click the keys and type just like you would with a physical keyboard. The on-screen keyboard can be moved around the screen and used in any application where typing is required. And that's how you can enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.